Hello, 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 beautiful people. It's transfer day. Well, if you know us, you know we don't stay in one place when we travel for the rest of our trip. So today we're transferring, we're moving to a different location. Actually, it's 1 hour drive from Cape Town. It's a place called, what is the name of that place again? It starts with a P. I've forgotten the name. Babe, babe, baby. What's the name of the location where we're going?
The city in town?
Yeah.
Paarl.
Paarl, okay. So it's called Paarl. It has more of the countryside vibe. Since we're in Cape Town, we got the town, the urban vibe, and then we were like, okay, let's try something else. So we're going to Paarl, which will give us the countryside feel. We're just gonna chill, less of the hassle and the bustle of the city. So yeah, that is where we're heading at today. Checkout to this place is at 10. Right now it's 9 something, so we'll be leaving in a few minutes. I just finished packing. That's my bag. I have everything. I am ready. Like the only thing left for me to do is my makeup, and yeah, that will be pretty much it. So Cape Town was amazing. I would highly recommend. But now I'm ready for the country chill vibe. So let's go. Let's head over to the countryside. But before we go, I have to show you guys my OOTD. All right, let me show you guys what I'm wearing today. Just, okay, if you know me, you know I love white. So, duh, I'm wearing white. But, okay, let me just give you guys the whole outfit of the day. So, this is the outfit of the day. I'm just wearing my denim skirt and white crop top, and then I'll put on my sneakers. But this denim skirt also comes with a denim jacket, so if it gets chilly outside, I'll wear my denim jacket. But for now, this is the outfit of the day. I like it. It's cute. Yeah, that is the outfit of the day. Okay, so let me just do my makeup and then I'll catch up with you guys later. Also, the sun is doing a number on my skin. I'm getting sunburns. But oh well. Oh well. This is it, guys. Goodbye to this beautiful view. Can you see? Oh my god. I will miss you. Goodbye to that. It's time to go to the next location. We ready?
I think I can bring everything in my house.
Alright, let's go. Seriously, guys, like in the parking lot, this just our Ferrari chilling. How cool is this? And then this is us. And then there's us. I finally ordered my first Starbucks drink, but hey, these people got my name wrong. Like, who the hell is Sidel? Anyway, it tastes so good. I love it. I'm at the Waterfront Park before we go to our next location, so we're just buying time, enjoying the city life for the last day before we go to a different location. So that's the plan, guys. That is the plan. But the weather here is so beautiful. I literally love everything about South Africa. I'm not gonna lie. I'm already in the mood of like, it's only been a few days, but I'm like, I could move here. I could just pack all my bags and move to Cape Town and start like a fresh new life, you know. Anyway, so yeah, that's it from me. This looks nice. What is the meaning of this?
Cape Town
Oh, in
means Cape Town.
okay.
In Afrikaans.
Okay,
Yeah.
okay. We made it to the countryside, guys. There is very minimal civilization here. It's like just land, no buildings. But apparently this is where the wine farms are, so yeah, makes sense. Yes. Oh, this is the parking.
Huh?
That's the parking. We made it to the wine shop. Look at this cutie. Look at the horsey. Now we got the Canyon coffee over here, guys. Look at the Takis, guys. The Takis, oh my god. Why are the beaks like meaty? Yeah. What number is it?
So 35 is the greenhouse restaurant.
Yes.
Just down there.
Babe, I don't see any tea house restaurant. Where did you see
Or
that?
is it the greenhouse? Okay, maybe that's it then.
The greenhouse? Then if it's the greenhouse, it's down this side. This is where the greenhouse is. Do you believe you? People are the same behind me. How far is the bloody restaurant?
You have no idea where it is.
Yeah, because we took a different turn because of you. Let's go have something to eat because we are starving.
Are you starving?
I am hungry. Well, I didn't have breakfast. You did. I only had like a cup of coffee and the matcha ice. Okay, let's see what they have. With this heat? Or iced coffee? Are you talking about iced coffee or coffee coffee? Go to the healing garden, guys. Oh, this is it. I don't feel the feeling. Oh, look, guys. Look, there's a fish over there. So cute. Where? Oh, yeah. Why are they hiding here? Is it because
I think
it's
they're
hot?
eating. Yeah. I mean, that dude's eating.
Oh, yeah.
There he is.
He's a cutie. Oh, and another. Oh, look. Couple more. Awesome. That is so nice. Oh, it's in here. What is this place? Oh my, I can't breathe. Oh my god, it's so hot in here.
So cute. Woo. Yes, out of here.
Woo. Oh, this is how we came.
Here we go. There's like some cool stuff over there.
Where? Which side?
And I want to go check out.
Where?
Right there.
Oh, okay.
Right there, honey.
Okay.
You're staring at me.
Woo. Oh yeah, this looks cool. This feels so good. reliving my childhood days. But this street is not straight. This place is just so beautiful. Look at this waterfall. Ah, amazing. I love it here. Anything nice up there? Oh, okay. Oh, the view. Let me show you guys. Look at the mountain. What is this place?
I don't know if those are for people or for birds.
Why would they build this whole thing for a bed? I think it's for people just to chill in
They
here.
look kind of gross.
Yeah,
Sit up
but
in
it's
there.
cool.
It's cool. All these little crannies.
Babe,
Huh?
I'm boiling.
I'll get some ice cream.
Yeah, I want ice cream.
It's closed.
No way.
I'm just kidding.
Stop. That's not a funny joke, especially now when I need it.
Shut
I don't even want it, I need it. What are you getting?
I'm gonna get these two.
These two? In a sugar consa or in a tub?
In a cup. A tub.
We just finished our wine tour at the winery, and right now we're heading to the new location. Apparently it's supposed to be a container house, so I am pretty excited to see it. I can't wait to see our new place. But the Paarl is giving pause, you know. A lot of wineries here. I like the vibe already, so let's wait and see what this place has in store for us. We are heading there. Whoop, whoop.
This totally has like European
Vibes, I know, yeah.
You do? You've been to Europe, honey?
Yeah, do you know how many European movies I've watched, babe? You have no idea. Ever since I was born. I love the neighborhood. Alright guys, so we are in our second location, and this place is just amazing. The vibe here is so much different compared to the apartment we had in Cape Town. So let me just show you guys the overview. So this is our literally That's basically our front yard, and there's a pool over there, so I just can't wait to jump in it because it's so hot. Then we have neighbors down there, but let me show you guys the place. This is the living room basically, and then we have a kitchen over here. So it's a container house, as I said. We have a kitchen. It has like the old kind of vibe, like vintage vibe. Those are the drawers. So nice. And then we have this mag fridge. And then it's a 2-bedroom container house. So the first bedroom is this, which I think this will be the primary bedroom. And that's it. Waking up to this view every morning. How beautiful is that? And then we have like a couch over here, bed, your extra towels down there. Then we have a shower. We have a bathtub. Oh my god, I'll definitely have to use this. A sink. That's me. And then this is me as well. So let us go to the other bedroom, the second bedroom. It's just similar to the first one. So this is the second bedroom, same setting. This is the bathroom. But in this one, we don't have a bathtub. We just have like a shower, and that is it. I am loving it. I'm loving every bit of it. So yeah, we're here for, is it 2 nights or 3 nights? I think we're here for 2 nights, and then we move to the next location. But yeah, this is it. Barbecue place over there. I just want to jump in this pool. I'll tell you that for sure. Yep. Okay, let me go get my bags in the car.